Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Park the car on level ground, set the parking brake, and disconnect the negative battery cable for 30 seconds to avoid airbags or electrical shorts. Remove any child seats, floor mats, and cargo so you can see the seat anchors and carpet covers clearly. Gather tools: a 10 mm or 13 mm socket with ratchet, a 3/8-inch extension, a flat screwdriver, and a plastic trim tool to avoid scratching trim during removal. Fold the rear seat back forward using the release strap or lever to expose the top bolts and access hinges. Remove any plastic covers, then unbolt the top hinge bolts and the two lower floor bolts using the 10 mm or 13 mm socket and a 3/8-inch extension. Keep bolts organized. Pull the bottom cushion up at the front edge to disengage the front clips, then tilt the cushion back and lift out to unhook it from the rear retainers. To reinstall, position the bottom cushion by aligning rear hooks with the retainers, then push rearward and press the front edge until the clips click. Verify even fit and no gaps. Reinstall lower bolts finger tight, then final torque to about 30 Nm with a torque wrench to prevent over-tightening. Reinstall top hinge bolts and any plastic covers. Reconnect the negative battery cable, test seat latches and seat belt anchors, and ensure headrests and upholstery are properly seated before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.